Hello, everyone. This is Daryl. This is the intro, the Ancestry or My Ancestry DNA tutorial video intro. All right. I created, give or take, put it that way. I created numerous tutorial videos that will help you uh, in your effort in finding your matches, how to get around, so on and so forth. Each video has its own number. And what I recommend, you have a notepad. And let's say, for example, if you watch video 95 or video 10, so on and so forth, well, you make a note. So if there are 50 videos, and as long as you make your notes, you know where you stand. If you watch 5, well, you have 54 more or whatever. So again, I would recommend whenever you watch the videos, have a little notepad so that you can make a note, memorize which videos you watch. Some you may need to watch over and over. Also, when I update, I will add more videos. So again, just, to make life a lot easier for yourself, just make a note of what videos you've seen and what videos you haven't seen. Those who watch the videos will be those who have an easier time getting around. Those who forget or decide they don't want to spend the time watching the videos, well, good luck with your experience. This is the first video, regardless of the number. It's the first. It'll be at the top. And that's about it. Any questions? Let me know. Oh, one more thing. So basically, the videos will be from the oldest to the newest. And that's basically it. Enjoy your day or night. Bye.